welcome to Bike Empire. Get ready for a quick and clear breakdown of one of India's most trusted commuter motorcycles, the Hero Splendor Plus. Famous for its rock-solid reliability, excellent mileage, and low maintenance, this bike continues to rule daily city rides and rural roads alike. Light bulb design and build. The Hero Splendor Plus keeps things simple and practical with a classic commuter look. It features a sleek fuel tank, comfortable single-piece seat, alloy wheel options, and practical graphics. Built light yet strong, it's perfect for effortless city maneuvering. Motorcycle engine and performance. Powering the Splendor Plus is a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine designed for smooth and efficient commuting. It delivers calm acceleration, minimal vibrations, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-term daily use and low running costs. Fuel pump mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights is its excellent mileage, often exceeding 65 to 70 km/L in real-world riding. Combined with Hero's fuel-saving technology, this bike remains one of the most economical options on the road. Thumbs up comfort and ride quality. With upright seating, soft suspension, and a comfortable seat, the Splendor Plus ensures fatigue-free rides. Whether short city trips or longer commutes, it keeps things smooth and simple. Hammer and wrench reliability and maintenance. The Splendor Plus is known for unmatched durability. Spare parts are affordable and easily available, and Hero's service network is widespread, making ownership stress-free. Money bag price and value. Offering strong mileage, low maintenance, and dependable performance at an affordable price, the Splendor Plus delivers excellent long-term value for budget-focused riders. White heavy checkmark final verdict. If you're searching for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and hassle-free commuter motorcycle, the Hero Splendor Plus remains one of the best choices, a true everyday companion trusted for decades.